Assalamualaikum everyone! Greetings from Toronto, Canada, where I think having our official real snow day of Toronto in the entire year and winter, really, because the weather has been so drastic here that we haven't had much real snow. As you can see in the back, there's actually a lot of kids coming back from school. Kids are overjoyed, they're running with their pink jackets. Parents are probably annoyed, dragging their feet in the snow to get them back home safely. The reason why I'm making this video is really just for my relatives, my friends, my family, my cousins, everyone else in the tropical sides of the planet, where they probably don't get a chance to experience something like this in places like Pakistan and India and desert areas like Saudi and Australia and whatnot. School in most parts of our area have been cancelled, so I don't know, maybe I don't know where they're coming from. But it's definitely not a time to be driving outside in the snow. So if you don't need to, do not leave the house. It's a great, awesome day for the kids to play, which is actually what my kids are doing right now. They're playing outside with their dad, which is why it's dead silent in the house. I decided to stay home and just relax. That car there has been stuck there for several hours. Poor guy. I think he's just abandoned it because he tried and struggled and just couldn't get it out of that spot, unfortunately. Usually these streets are very busy and it's absolutely empty, besides one or two cars driving by every so often. On a clear day, you can actually see Lake Ontario right over here, all the way to the Pickering power plant, and even far and beyond that, because I live on the 6th floor of a condo, so alhamdulillah, we have a pretty amazing view here. But as you can see, it's winter wonderland. You can't see anything. Over there is supposed to be my library, but yeah, you can't see past that at all today. So all of you who are outside, please drive safely. And for those inside, yeah, bundle up a little bit and maybe you can enjoy the snow like all of the kids who probably are in their backyards right now. Okay, Assalamualaikum.